Axolt's Axo AI. This isn't AI that replaces your team. It's AI that removes the operational busywork, so your team can focus on the decisions that keep your business moving. Every manufacturer faces the same challenge. Customer orders are waiting, inventory is spread across warehouses, suppliers have different lead times, and fulfillment teams need answers before delays become customer problems. With Axo, you simply ask, what is holding up the fulfillment of this week's open orders? Axo analyzes every open order and checks the required inventory across all available warehouses. It calculates the shortage for every order product, showing exactly how much quantity is missing for each product and how many customer orders are affected by that shortage. But Axo doesn't stop at identifying the problem. It recommends the fastest path to fulfillment. If inventory is available in another warehouse, Axo suggests stock transfers, showing exactly which products, what quantities, and from which warehouse they should be moved to satisfy demand where it's needed most. Once the transfer is completed, Axo provides a detailed summary of the completed transfers, including the products moved, transferred quantities, warehouses involved. For products that still require replenishment, Axo suggests the action of creating purchase orders, providing all the details needed to generate the required purchase orders. Once you proceed with the action, Axo prepares the purchase orders with all the recommended details already populated. It selects the vendor best positioned to deliver before the expected fulfillment date, recommends the receiving warehouse where inventory is needed, and populates each purchase order with the required products and their shortage quantities. Before finalizing, your team can review the purchase orders, make any necessary adjustments, and then confirm the creation with confidence. Instead of manually reviewing orders, checking inventory, identifying shortages, and preparing purchase orders one by one, simply ask a question in plain language. Axo analyzes your operations in bulk, recommends the next best actions, and prepares the work that keeps your fulfillment on track. Axolt's Axo AI. Deliver faster, operate smarter, and keep customer orders moving.